Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this INFINITI key fob. This is out of the QX50. You're going to need one of the 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon for just a few dollars. There's a link below in the description, and I'm going to be using a small flat tip screwdriver about this size. Anything with a thin point here will work. So in the back here, you want to slide this down and pull out your mechanical key. And the second part, right here, you want to get on the top side of this tab and just pry gently. These cases are very easy to break, so just pry gently and then work your way around. The biggest thing is just take your time. These cases are pretty fragile. Okay, so that's how you get access to the battery. You can pop out your battery right here. Old battery comes out, the new battery goes in positive side facing downward. And then you just snap these halves back together. And then replace your mechanical key. And you're all set. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Take care.